guys, Danny Johnson here. This is a late night adventure. As you can tell, my hair is not even done. Getting ready for bed, and my cousin called me. He has a Mach 1 just like this one right here, and it's been sitting for a few years. He took it over to the gas station and it died on him and it won't start. He's thinking the fuel pump's messed up, so he bought a new fuel pump, and I'm getting everything set up here. I'm not gonna go do this tonight. I'll do this tomorrow, but just getting everything set up so I can throw it in my truck before I go to work tomorrow, and after work just run over there and give him a hand. So I got my siphon here because he's got some bad gas in it. We're going to want to get that out. So if you haven't seen my fuel pump install video, I'll put the link in the description, but it'll help out. I'm watching it as a review right now, actually. And luckily I carry a few of these parts on hand, a new fuel filter and the grommet that tends to tear. Got my tools, my jack stands, floor jack, that kind of thing. So little cuz is lucky he has Danny Johnson take care of him. So anyway, I'll give you guys some updates. We'll get that thing back on the road hopefully and running in no time. Alright, here she is. Got bro here helping me out. And throwing a new fuel pump filter. Okay, so we got the old pump out. We're going to put the new one in now here in the parking lot. We're trying to hurry and get this done before cops show up. Okay, we're all back up together. Let's see if we can have any luck here with this. Might have to prime for a minute. Go a few. Yep. So it sounds like the pump's working. Yeah. Alright, well that was pretty successful. Hey buddy! We're good to go. Just gotta put everything away. Alright, we're all back together. We're gonna take it back to our cousin now. So, fuel pump change on the side of the road. Worked out pretty good. Couldn't be happier that it worked out and we're done. Okay, gotta eat big afterwards, bacon eater.